If this is actually like not set, you can in the browser you click this and like you have to give like microphone the permission, and once that is done, you select like two minimum set of skills and click start interview. You can pick any option here.
Hi, Raghu. How are you doing today?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. Can you tell me a little about your management experience?
My management experience is just to test you and make a video for the real Raghu who's going to test this. Thank you so much and give us feedback.
Got it. That's quite creative. I'll still provide feedback as requested. What specific aspects of